What if I told you that one of the world's largest cities, home to over 14 million people, has almost no public trash cans, and yet its streets are spotless? Welcome to Japan, a country that consistently amazes visitors with its incredible cleanliness. Whether you're walking through Shinjuku or a quiet Kyoto neighborhood, there is virtually no litter anywhere. This isn't an accident, it comes from cultural values, childhood habits, and social systems working together. Today, we explore exactly how Japan pulls this off. Let's start with something that shocks nearly every first-time visitor: the almost complete absence of public trash cans. After the 1995 Shinrikyo sarin attack on the Tokyo subway, authorities removed public trash cans as a security measure. But instead of more litter, the Japanese public simply adapted. People began carrying their trash home. Today, it's completely normal to tuck a wrapper into your bag without a second thought. It's just what you do. The second reason takes us back to childhood. In Japanese schools, there are no janitors for daily cleanup. Instead, students themselves clean their classrooms, hallways, and restrooms every single day, through a practice called suji. Children as young as 6 grab brooms and mops and scrub their school from top to bottom. This teaches responsibility, teamwork, and deep respect for shared spaces, values carried into adulthood. The third factor is the concept of Mottainai, roughly meaning what a waste, but carrying a much deeper emotional weight. This philosophy influences everything from product packaging to Japan's meticulous recycling habits. In many municipalities, residents sort waste into 10 or more categories, and people follow these rules diligently because wasting resources feels fundamentally wrong. The fourth reason is community. Across Japan, neighborhoods regularly organize volunteer cleaning events, not rare charity events, but frequent gatherings where residents sweep streets and maintain their neighborhood together. Public spaces belong to everyone, so everyone helps maintain them. Finally, Japan's professional cleaning crews have become world famous. The Shinkansen bullet train cleaning team transforms each car in just 7 minutes, wiping every seat, collecting trash, and bowing to incoming passengers. This attitude extends to convenience store workers, restaurant owners, and taxi drivers who keep their vehicles spotless with white lace seat covers. Japan's cleanliness is the product of a culture that teaches responsibility through school cleaning rituals, embraces Mottainai to minimize waste, replaces public trash cans with personal accountability, fosters community pride, and elevates every cleaning task into a practice worthy of dedication. Thank you for watching AI Japan. If you found this fascinating, please like and subscribe. Next time, we're exploring Japan's vending machine culture, over 5 million of them across the country. See you in the next one.